Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can enable or disable auto dubbing feature on your YouTube channel. Well, I have recently received an email from YouTube mentioning that they will enable auto dubbing feature on my channel soon, which means YouTube will automatically generate translated audio tracks of my contents in different languages, making them accessible to more viewers. They also mentioned that I don't need to take any action if I'm perfectly fine with that. And if I'm not, they also provided the instructions where I can turn it off. Anyhow, if this feature hasn't been rolled out for your channel, it probably will soon. And if you want to learn more about the auto dubbing feature, just click on Learn More button if you already have received this email. Or visit this page to read about this feature thoroughly, like how it works, what languages it supports, and how to turn it off and on your channel or for specific video. Anyhow, when I opened my YouTube channel, it showed the notification here too. So let's check it out, how well it works. Here, click on Join Mix. Well, instead of using other options, I'm creating my account using my email. Here, enter your email address and click on Continue. Well, I create my content in English language, and to change the language, click on Settings. And here you can see that the auto dubbing feature is supporting 10 different languages for now, and these 10 languages are experimental languages, and the original language of my video is English. Now click on audio track and it will show you the languages it is supporting. Now let's select Hindi language first since I understand it.
अब यह आपको आपके लॉगिन लिंक के साथ एक ईमेल भेज चुका है, तो अपने ईमेल पर जाएं और लिंक पर क्लिक करें। अब 𝐓-𝐸𝐬𝐬 पर आपका अकाउंट बन चुका है। यहाँ नोटिफिकेशन के तहत आप अपने फीड को पर्सनलाइज करने के लिए कुछ टॉपिक चुन सकते हैं, और टॉपिक चुनने की बजाय सबसे पहले मैं
Well, it did really well, and apparently there is no mistake in the certain portion of the video I've just heard. Now let's change it to another language like Italian.
Ti è stata inviata un'email con il link di accesso. Vai alla tua email e clicca sul link. Il tuo account è appena stato creato su 𝐓-𝐸𝐬𝐬𝐬.com. In Notifiche, puoi selezionare alcuni argomenti per personalizzare il tuo feed, invece di selezionare gli argomenti.
Now let's change it to another language like French.
Email et cliquez sur Continuer. Un email contenant votre lien de connexion vous a été envoyé. Accédez à vos emails et cliquez sur le lien. Votre compte vient d'être créé sur 𝐓-𝐸𝐬𝐬𝐬.com. Sous Notification, vous pouvez sélectionner des sujets pour personnaliser votre flux, au lieu de sélectionner.
Well, since I do not understand the French and Italian at all, do let me know in the comments whether how well it translated it into these two languages. Anyhow, YouTube has provided us with the option to turn it off or on for the whole channel, or we can turn it off or on for a specific video. If you want to turn it off or on for the whole channel, go to Settings and then Advanced Settings under Upload Defaults. And then just uncheck these options of auto dubbing. It will turn off the auto dubbing for the whole channel. Well, for now, I'm not turning it off because I want to see the overall impact, whether how well this feature worked out for my YouTube channel. Well, if you want to turn it off or on for a specific video on your channel, you sure can by unchecking this option while uploading. Or you can go to edit title and description of a video on your channel to uncheck this option. Well, there are some concerns of keeping auto dubbing feature on your channel because when you talk about global reach, auto dubbing does help in making your video accessible to non-native speakers, expanding your audience across different regions, which not only increase your engagement but also the viewership. On the other hand, if you keep it on, it may mistranslate the native slangs you may have used in your video, which will ultimately affect your brand or channel badly. So I would highly recommend you to keep it off for a video where you have used a lot of native slangs, idioms, or technical terms, so that it won't create any bad effect on your YouTube channel. Anyhow, this is how you can enable or disable auto dubbing feature on your YouTube channel, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.